Our world has changed dramatically over the last few months, but Metrolink's commitment to your safety is stronger than ever. In March, Metrolink increased the frequency of cleaning on our trains and enhanced other safety protocols. Because you expect more, we are doing more. We have added cleaning staff, and every day our Clean Care crew thoroughly cleans and disinfects our passenger cars to protect the health and wellness of you, our riders, and our employees. This includes wiping down all high-touch surfaces, doors, restrooms, headrests, armrests, handrails, tables, and trash areas using EPA-approved disinfecting products. We've installed more hand sanitizer stations on our trains, and we're making sure they're filled more frequently. And now we have a new and extra way to disinfect our trains. Every day, we use an electrostatic sprayer to thoroughly disinfect passenger cars, including high-touch surfaces. The fine mist penetrates hard-to-reach places. Applied daily, the mist dries in an hour and becomes odorless. The hospital-grade disinfectant is EPA-approved for use against COVID-19, and it's non-toxic and not harmful to humans or animals. We're also working to protect our Metrolink family. We've increased the frequency of cleaning our crew bases, dispatch centers, and office locations where our essential employees work. We've provided them with face masks and other necessary protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection. And we're requiring recommended social distancing to keep them safe and healthy. Safety has always been priority one at Metrolink. All across Southern California, we're doing everything we can to make sure that when you're ready to ride with us again, your ride is safe, clean, and comfortable. We look forward to welcoming you back to a smarter, better Metrolink.